This website you see on the screen right now, while not immediately apparent, can actually make you thousands of dollars online in passive income. All you have to do is watch this video through to the end for that to happen, because today I will show you how you can utilize Google and affiliate marketing to get paid $300 again and again with no skills or previous experience, and no matter where you are coming from, because this actually does work worldwide. And with all of that said, let's now finally get into this tutorial. As you've all heard me, today I have a way for you to get paid using affiliate marketing and Google. And right off the bat, this doesn't involve any of those affiliate marketplaces you've heard of, like Digistore, ClickBank, CPA Lead, CPA Grip, and others. It's a much different strategy than that, actually. The very first site you want to head over to now is one called clickmeter.com. This is the same website you've seen in the intro as well. And since most of you have never heard of this site before, let me explain really quick what it is. Basically, this is a tool for website and business owners, and what it's being used for is for providing statistics on their ads. So, say you have some website and you want to know how many people click on specific ads. How many of those people make a purchase? With that knowledge, you could potentially optimize your website more to get paid from the ad revenue. And this is where ClickMeter comes in. As it says on the homepage here, monitor, compare, and optimize all your marketing links in one place to increase the conversion rate. For those of you who don't know, a conversion rate is the percentage of people who click on your link, go to the sales page, and make a purchase. And so, just like I said a minute ago, this tool in essence helps website owners make more money. Now, does this mean that you're here to pay this website or whatever? Absolutely not. You need a website for that at the very least. And I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you don't own one. So no, you won't be paying this website whatsoever. That, of course, begs the question, what are you doing on here? Well, some of you could have guessed by now that we're here to promote this site as an affiliate. So, what I need you to do when you come over to clickmeter.com is scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and there you'll be able to find affiliate program, and you want to now click on that so you can access their affiliate page. And promoting this website as an affiliate, guys, has some insane benefits for you. To start things off, you can see that commissions are up to 90%. For any of you who've been involved with affiliate marketing before, you know that this is literally insane. If you go over to Google, you'd find that average commissions range from 20 to 30%. Meanwhile, here's this website offering 90%. So basically, they pay you as much as 3 times more than your average website for referring people to them. If you go over to the pricing section, you'll also be able to estimate how much you'll get paid depending on which plan someone decides to go for. If someone decides to pay them at $30, you'd receive like $27 or so. If someone pays them $100, you'd earn $90. And in the rare case that someone actually pays them $360, you could expect to earn over $300 per single person that you've referred to this website. So I think you can all now see the sheer potential this site has to get you paid big time. Another thing that's just as important is the nature of the website. As I said before, this site helps website owners make more money from their ads. Thus, in turn, means that the website owners would want to use this site for the long term, so they can earn more money, obviously. Consequently, you don't have to refer too many people here to make a load of money. You just need like 20 people that you've referred to use this site to make money in passive income again and again. And this is yet another feature that makes this website perfect for affiliates. Last thing I wanted to show you, you can see in the frequently asked questions section down here. If you remember from before, I did say that this site does actually work worldwide. And they say here as well, you can sign up for our program from most countries. So, to top it all off, this site is nearly worldwide available with most countries accepted, and not just your regular ones like the US, UK, and others. And so what you want to do now, guys, is sign up to this site's affiliate program. To do so, you first click on the sign up button right here. Then on the following page, you'll have to type in all your info, starting with the basics, your username, country, and password. And then you'll click on next step here, and you'll go ahead and type in more information about yourself, which I won't cover as to not prolong this video. The important thing left to do now, though, is to actually get traffic to your affiliate link once you've signed up. Great commissions and a great website to promote as an affiliate doesn't mean anything if you don't bring anyone to the website. So, how can you do it? While there are many ways out there, in this tutorial I will show you a rather unique one through the use of Google.com. So, this is where Google comes into play. And what you want to do on Google now may seem weird, but stick with me for a bit and you'll understand everything. What you'll want to do basically is search for a business in a particular town or city, and it can be any business located anywhere. Just as an example, I typed in New York gyms. You could perhaps type in New York coffee shops, LA restaurants. You can search for some business in the UK, so it doesn't have to be a US particular website or whatever. Literally any business in any town or city will do, guys. The only requirement here is that the said business has a website. But since most businesses nowadays do, this shouldn't limit you in any way whatsoever. Anyways, what you now want to do is scroll down a bit on Google, and you'll be able to see some of the businesses in the location that you typed in. And now to see all of them, just click right here. This will now not only show you all of these businesses, but you'll also find that you can access their websites as well. And as you all know by now, ClickMeter helps website owners make more money. So this is where it all kind of comes together. What you will essentially want to do now is contact all of these website owners and promote ClickMeter to them. Tell them how much money they can make from the platform and that it's the best way for them to grow their business. And while most people won't respond to your message, remember that you need a handful to do so for you to make a lot of money online. And by the way, the contact details you can find on these websites most of the time at the top or bottom of the page. You want to look for their email, but if you can't find it, it's no big deal to contact them via Instagram or some of their social media accounts. Point being here, guys, thanks to the fact that with Google you can find an infinite number of businesses located all over the globe, you can in turn find an infinite number of website owners, all of whom would get value out of a site like clickmeter.com. And thanks to Google, you can literally contact thousands of people, meaning that less than 1% of them signing up to the website would already make you thousands of dollars online, and in purely passive income too. If you enjoyed this video and you got value out of it, then be sure you leave a like down below to support me and this channel. And if you want to make even more money online, don't hesitate to click on one or both of the videos that'll pop up in a second. Since I upload new videos on here daily, you should subscribe and tick the bell icon, and I will notify you whenever a new one has gone live. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in some of the upcoming videos.